Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ya Rabbi lakal hamdu. Kama yambaghi li jalali wajhika wa azimi sultanik. Allahumma rabbana lakal hamdu bima khalaqtana wa razaqtana wa hadaytana wa farrajta anna. Allahumma lakal hamdu bil Islam wa lakal hamdu bil Iman wa lakal hamdu bil Quran. Amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين اللهم إنا نسألك علما نافعا وعملا متقبلا ورزقا طيبا اللهم ثبتنا عند الموت بلا إله إلا الله آمين يا رب العالمين ربي يسر ولا تؤسر وتمم بالخير اللهم اجعل عملنا كله صالحا واجعله لوجهك خالصا ولا تجعل لأحد فيه شيئا آمين يا رب العالمين. So this was homework from last class, and I asked that if there is any problem, you want any review, press 2. If everything was good, then we can move on. And I see, I think 40 students have submitted the homework, and rest 43 or the other 40, they didn't. So I don't know what is the plan for those who are not submitting the homework. You are not going to move on. It's gonna be a problem, and then you're gonna lose the motivation. So it is important that we do the homework. Okay, so moving on now. Still, inshallah, we're gonna do a little bit more practice on that. So when we are talking about any verb, where is the file and all that stuff. So we need to be very strong on it. So over here, the exercise is circle inside or outside doer and then translate and place all the harakas. This is the practice we're gonna do, and we are going to do little more on it. So whatever verb gonna be over here, I'm gonna ask you to conjugate the whole verb, right? And after attempting this exercise, and the first one is the Muslim wrote. So the Muslim wrote. I'm gonna ask Sister Farzana or Sister Farhat. And when I ask, please, you guys need to make yourself available. For you guys are sitting in a place where this is all quiet because you are taking a class. You are in the class right now. So you need to make yourself available. Come, and then we are going to do this exercise together. Yes. So who is that?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Ustaza.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So this is Sister Farzana. Okay,
yes.
so now, yeah, okay. So the Muslim wrote, if I ask you, is the doer inside or outside? What should be the answer? Look at the first example. The Muslim wrote. Is the doer inside or outside?
Outside.
What is your clue?
Muslims wrote. Muslims are the doer.
Exactly, because the answer should be because it's not a pronoun, right? If I say he wrote, or they wrote, or you all wrote, right? If then it's a inside pronoun, right? But it's not, the Muslim is not a pronoun, right? So this is telling us that this is our doer is outside. Very good. Now, how we are going to if we want to turn that into Arabic, what is the first step we need to do?
Wrote is the action, so we have to write the
Exactly. So
action first.
we are going to take the action first. And do you know what is the word for wrote?
It's kataba.
Very good. Barakallah fiki. So kataba. So you're gonna write kataba, right?
Kataba, yes.
And then,
Kataba, if the Muslim, then kataba al Muslim
and
al
is
mus.
that one Muslim? Now we need to look at the outside doer.
No, it's a group of Muslims.
So
Kataba al mus. Kataba al Muslimun.
okay, now look over here. Nope. Yeah, it's here. Okay. Are you familiar with this Muslimun chart?
Yes.
Okay, so how does it go? We have singular, right?
Yes.
Singular is
Plural.
Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. This is for all those who are very new, right? So that's why I'm explaining. Otherwise, I shouldn't be. So Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. So this is masculine part. This
Yes.
is masculine. Okay, and this column is talking about one. This is mufrid. Mufrid means singular.
Okay.
And when we say Muslimun, so we are saying that it is Rafa because un sound refers to Rafa. This is a doer. Then Musliman refers to detail, right? And
Yes.
Muslimin could be some haruf are coming, they are making it jar, or there could be some possession, right? So that time you will see tanween with kasras, Muslimin. That is singular. When we are going to make Muslim or anything dual, double, pair, what we have to do? We need to add ani combination at the end.
Yes.
So same Muslimun, right? Now I'm gonna, because why I'm adding ani? You guys know that this alif, right? What is this
Yeah.
alif?
We are going to the
Alif is
part of
alif
yeah.
isnain,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
same alif isnain that we have in the fail. This alif over here, same alif standing for the dual, but we gonna call this alif al musanna. So this is alif musanna.
Yes.
Musanna mean dual. And then we are adding this noon over here because we had Muslimun, right? Muslimun, when I'm writing Muslimun, how I am writing? Muslimun.
Muslim.
It has noon. So whenever
Yes.
we
No.
say tanween, it has noon in it. Whenever
Yes.
we
Yes.
say any word with tanween, it has noon in it.
Known in it. Yes.
Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, right? So we can
Yes.
think that way, that okay, this alif is given and then this noon is basically given because there was a tanween over there. And now we are making two people. So Muslimani,
Mani.
Muslimani, and then Muslimaini, Muslimaini, right?
Yes. Yes, Ustad. This is for dual, no?
Yeah, this is for dual. And then for the plural comes Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. So Muslimuna is standing for Rafa and Muslimina standing for Nasab or Jar. And same we are going to do with the ladies. So ladies, we know anything when we want to make it into feminine, mostly Tamar Buta gonna come with it, right? So
Yes. Yes.
Muslimun will become Muslimatun.
Yes.
Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, and then Muslimatani,
Musmatani.
Muslimataini, Muslimataini, right?
Yes. Yes, Ustad.
Same we are applying. We are applying alif noon to make it dual. So anything we need to make alif noon. We need to make dual for rafa. We add alif noon. For nasab and jar, we need to add ya noon.
Yes.
Okay, so this is we need to remember. And then muslimatun, muslimatin, who those who are not getting what I'm talking about over here. That's why we are sharing Nahav recordings in the group. So you need to follow along this recording. Okay, so then inshallah, when you have both information, everything will make sense to you, inshallah. So moving on here, now kataba, and then what we need to add?
We have to translate the Muslims.
So katabal
Muslimuna.
muslimuna. Katabal.
Muslimuna.
So we cannot say kataba al muslimuna. That would be wrong, right?
Okay.
We need
Right.
to follow the tajweed rules, right? So since we are joining, so that's why this ba will join this lam. So katabal
Muslimuna.
muslimuna. Now the
Yes, Ustad.
translation.
Sorry, Ustad. I was just thinking about Muslimuna, but actually Al was not there, so I was just thinking that maybe it's not coming. So,
Where
that's
was
why
not all? Where
because
was
the
not?
chart we studied, there is no Al in it, so that's why I was just confused that should I
Yeah,
write
no, but
Muslim?
we can add that al. There is no problem.
Okay.
Where is my chart go? Yeah, it's here. So it could be al, but we need to remember when we are adding al, we have to make one more change. What is this change? Al and tanween
Al.
cannot go together, right?
Yes.
So then when we
So,
are adding al to it, it will be al muslimu.
okay.
Okay.
Al-Muslimu.
Al
Right.
muslimu. Over here, al muslimani is fine. Only problem is with the tanween. Tanween and al cannot go together.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So whenever we are adding al, then we need to take one harka away. And even
Okay.
this alif we add when we have two fathas on any word. Now by adding al, we need to take this alif away even. So it will become al-muslima.
Okay.
Okay, so these changes
Okay.
we
Got
need
it.
to bring. But no problem over here. I can say al-muslimuna. I don't have to
Okay.
do anything over here. Only
Yes. We
with the,
just have to add.
yeah. So only with the mufrid, we need to take one haraka away because tanween and al cannot go together.
Go together. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Got
this
it.
is, yeah. So now katabal muslimuna, that is our the translation. The Muslim wrote katabal muslimuna. Okay, now you need to do the conjugation for kataba quickly. Huwa kataba.
Huwa kataba.
Hmm.
Uh, uh,
Huma
kat,
kataba.
Huma kataba. Katabu.
Hmm.
Hum katabu. Then katabat.
Hmm.
Katabata.
Hmm.
Katabna.
Hmm.
Then anta. Katabat.
Nope.
Katabati.
Nope.
Sorry, katabata.
No. What
For
is the trend after hunna?
katabna.
Yeah. Yeah, katabna. So now you're gonna keep that trend. What is in katabna? Ba has koon, right? So now
Yes.
onward, whatever siga are left now, you're gonna keep this koon on this ba, and you are going to keep in adding ta tumatum. So for anta it will
Okay.
be katabta.
Katabta. Okay.
Hmm.
Katabta.
Katab
Katabta.
katabtuma.
Katabtuma. And then katabtum.
Tum. Hmm.
Then katabtum. katabti, katabtuma, then katabtunna.
Very good. Ana?
Ana katabtu, then katabna.
Yes. See? But
These are perfect.
you need to do a lot of practice, because next time if I ask you, it should be very fluent.
Okay.
Right?
Got
Because
it.
you need to learn basically the formulas, what you are applying, what you are deleting, what you are adding. Right? So this is
Okay.
all about
Yes.
like a mathematics. Right?
Yes.
So when
Yes,
you
Ustad.
know the process, then it should not be a problem.
Okay.
Do you understand the whole process? What we need to
Yeah.
do in all these sigas?
Yes. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing.
Okay. So when we say kataba, how you gonna label it as a fi'l madi? What is the label? Fi'lun?
Katab, Felun Madi.
What is so special about fi'l madi?
Fail Madi, like
Mabni.
it was the inside doer.
Mabni. We
Mabni.
are not talking about doer yet. We are just talking about the failure now. So failun madin, the special about fail madi is that it is mabni, right?
Okay, it's
Because
Mabni.
we are
Yes.
soon we are going to do the other fail, and the other fail mudariya, it's not mabni. And when I say mabni, you need to understand if you remember the ism, some asma, they are mabni, like alladhi, right? Alladhi doesn't matter, harfu jar come before it, or harfu nasab gonna come before it, it's still gonna be look like alladhi. No haraka gonna be changing, right?
Okay.
So
That I don't know.
yeah, so some asma, they are mabni, right? So they don't change, doesn't matter what comes before, because in afal and in asma, right, in ism and in fail, some haruf can come and they can affect their status. So but that is not gonna happen in fail madi. In fail madi, when I have the word kataba, doesn't matter whatever haruf is coming before it, they are not going to make any changes in kataba. Kataba gonna look like kataba always.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why we say failun madin mabniyun, right? Now it is mabni of kataba and katabu. What siga is katabu?
Katabu is home.
Home. Okay,
Yes.
now the mabni part of katabu is different than kataba over here. What's the difference?
It's rough.
Okay, so when I ask you, because when we
And
are going to explain fail madi, mabni, now I need to explain that mabni, it's mabni look. How does it look like? Because in different sigas, the mabni business gonna look different, right? So now in kataba, this is for everyone. Pay attention, okay? And I hope this is the last time I'm explaining, because it happened a lot, like last few classes, this is all we are doing it, right? So now we need to be a pro on it. So kataba and katabu, so they're mabni. Now look at the word kataba. We have if you remember, we always go to fa, ain and lam kalima, because fail should have three kalmas, right? So this is kaf is my fa kalima, and ta is my ain, and ba is my lam kalima. So when I say fail madi mabni, I'm always gonna look at the lam kalima. what haraka it is keeping. And then I'm gonna say it is mabni on this haraka. So when I say kataba, you're gonna say fi'lun madin mabni ala what haraka
Ala
is on it?
fatha.
Yes,
مبني على الفتح.
mabni ala fatha. Only the sister Farzana is answering. Mabni ala fatha.
Yes.
But when I say fi'lun madin, I'm talking about katabu over here. Katabu, sorry, Myra. Let me write it clear. Okay. So now when I'm talking about katabu and I'm saying fi'lun madin, mabni ala, now what I should say? Still mabni ala fatha or something else?
Nahin, mabni ala damma.
Very good. So now I'm gonna look at the lam kalima, and lam kalima has damma. So now I'm gonna say fi'lun madin mabni ala damma.
Yes.
Right? And now my
Yes.
fi'l madi is done, and now I'm gonna talk about fa'il. Right? So
Right.
in case of kataba, where is my fa'il? Do I see any damir muttasil being attached to this word? Kataba?
Kataba? No, it's
What?
mustatir.
Okay, very good. So what are the possible damir muttasil in fi'l madi we are going to look? Like when you did the katabas siga, the whole conjugation, right?
Okay.
So there are different afal in it.
Yes.
Damir muttasil there are different kinds of damir muttasil being attached to it. So
yes.
And what are they?
These are like home and
So look
hunna.
over here.
Home and hunna.
Okay, look over here. Now, Nasara. We don't see anything extra over here. Right?
Yes. Yes.
So that's why we say damir
It's
mustatir.
mustatir.
Okay, in huma nasara, do we see anything extra? Other than
Extra
three root letter?
yes, alif.
So this alif is what?
This is for dual purpose.
Yeah, and what is that? Can I call it a fa'il?
Yes.
Yes, so this is my fa'il, right? And now if I'm
Yes.
describing Nasara, how should I describe? I'm talking about the fa'il now. So how we are going to describe our fa'il over here? Fa'iluhu, damir.
Damir muttasil, baris.
Damir
And
muttasil, and can I say baris?
Baris, and then we talk about that alif, that it is for
yes, and this damir muttasil is basically alifu isnain. Right?
Yes, alif isnain. Yes.
This damir muttasil is alifu isnain, and since we are saying this is a doer, this is a fa'il, and fa'il should be what? Rafa. Right? So we're gonna say fi mahalli rafa.
Yes.
This is how we are going to describe fa'il. Right? And again, these damir muttasil, baris or mustatir, whatever the condition is, they are going to be different. Like we just did about the fail, its mabni business gonna be different in different sigas, right? So in the same way, the fa'il gonna be different in different sigas. Over here is alifu isnain. What about over here?
It's waw jama.
Yes, wawul jama. So you're gonna say fa'il, damir, muttasil, baris. Now instead of alifu isnain, you're gonna say
waw jama.
Wawul jama. And then you're gonna say fi mahalli rafa.
Rafa, yes.
Right? Okay, in nasarat, What we gonna call here? What is the our file over here?
It's file is
Do we see anything extra?
Yeah, ta is extra.
But this ta can be a file or no?
This ta is for representation of masculine part.
Feminine.
Yes, sorry, feminine.
Feminine, right? So this ta is telling me that I am feminine.
Yes.
Right? And this ta is not a file. Right?
Yes.
Why in huwa and here we say that the mir is mustatir and we say jawazan? Jawazan means there is some reason, they have some excuse that they are the mir is mustatir over here. So now we know the reason. What is the reason?
Reason is we can't see the pronoun here.
Yeah, that's why we are saying it is mustatir. But why it is mustatir? Why they are kept mustatir? What is the reason?
Doer is inside.
Doer is inside in all of them, basically, right? Or when we say nasara, these are basically doer inside. The reason is we are just doing the example katabal muslimuna, right?
Right.
So al muslimuna is outside doer. Can I say over here huma nasaral muslimuna? And this muslimuna, can I call this muslimuna that this is outside doer?
No, we can't say that.
Yeah, so that is the reason. That is the reason we are saying that huwa and here the mir is mustatir, because they can have outside doer.
Yes.
Okay, so that is the reason. If someone asks you why in fi'l madi huwa and hiya is considered that they are the mir is mustatir, what is the reason behind it? What is the logic? Why they are made separate?
One thing more, Ustada. But nasara is also a complete sentence. Like if we say nasara, it means that nasara
both
is
of them helped. Yeah.
Yeah.
So nasara, when I say nasara, he helped, this is also a complete sentence.
Yes.
But when we add anything, any outside doer, right? Nasaral muslimu. So now what's gonna happen? This huwa, which was inside this nasara, its job is terminated. Now I'm gonna call this one as a doer. So I'm gonna say the Muslim helped.
Okay, right.
Okay. But we cannot do over here. We cannot bring outside doer after these sigas. Any of these sigas. Because like for example, Nasartuma, right? If I add Muslimuna over here, right? And I cannot call this al-Muslimuna that this is the rafa for doer for this Nasartuma. That would be wrong. Because Nasartuma cannot have outside doer.
Yes.
Only huwa and hiya can have outside doer. And it does not matter what number I can add. I can say al-Muslimuna over here. Right?
Yes.
I can
we have to match the gender.
Only gender should match, right? But number does not matter. I can add mufrid, I can add dual, I can add plural, anything. Right? So that is the logic behind it. Why in Nasara and Nasarat we say that our file is hidden, mustatir. Okay. So Barakallah Fiki. I hope it is beneficial, huh?
Yes. Alhamdulillah, I got it.
Standing over here is not like easy job, but Alhamdulillah, you did well. Right? So
Jazakallah.
now we got this, the whole idea, right? Katabal
Okay.
Muslimuna, and then how we are going to basically label it. Okay, Barakallah Fiki. I took a lot of time of you. So now
It's all
enjoy rest of the
it's clear
class.
now.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, now next is V8. I don't mind if we just do this slide over here, but I want you to be very strong in this learning, whatever we are learning, because that is very important. Okay, so now I'm gonna ask Sister Hind, I never heard you. So would you be able to come?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Okay, so next is V8. Now you tell me, is that outside door or inside?
Inside.
Very good. And how we are going to translate it?
Akalna.
Very good. So you're gonna say akalna, because akala is the action, right? And then
Yes.
we are going to nahnu version, and this is how we get it, akalna. Now can you say label it properly?
فعل فاعل
We're gonna start with a
فاعل
file or fail?
فاعل
Fail.
فعل. Okay. فاعل
No, not file, fail. So failu
فعل.
madin.
Okay, sorry. فعل ماضي فاعله
No.
فعل ماضي
Failu madin. What is so special about fail madi?
اسم مبني على على فتحة.
No, look at the word. We just did the exercise. Subhanallah. Pay attention. Huh?
Okay, على سكون.
Yes, so failun madin mabni ala sukun. Okay, and that's it. Fail madi. Fail part is done. Now we are going to come to the file. So failuhu. Failun.
بارز.
No, first what is baris?
Baris is
Damir,
second.
baris.
Baris.
And muttasil.
متصل.
And what is that?
تقديره
We don't say takdir because we are able to see it. Takdir comes only when it is hidden. So you're gonna, in fail madi, we're gonna say takdiruhu only with huwa and hiya.
Okay.
Okay, but not when damir is baris, we don't need to say takdiruhu. So failun damir baris muttasil, right? Which is na.
نحن.
Na, and even in the bracket you can say nahnu.
No, okay.
Right? And one more thing I need to add. File is always what status it should be.
رفع.
So what you gonna say?
في محل رفع.
في محل رفع. Now can you say the whole thing one more time from فعل ماضٍ?
فعل ماضٍ مبني على سكون. فاعل ضمير بارز متصل. نا. نحن في محل رفع.
Yes. Okay, and you will remember that how we see that fail madi is mabni. Always we need to look at the middle root letter, right? Yes. Barakallah fiki. Mashallah. Barakallah fiki. Okay, so now moving on. Next is the nation return. Sister, Shishir, how we pronounce your name? Sorry. Unmute yourself.
Who is this person, Mustafa? I don't know.
Shishir, SHSH. Sister Kausar. And next time you guys are not coming with iPhone or anything else. Rather, I want to see your name. Okay? Even if you can change right now, please change it. Sister Fauzia.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So now we are on the fourth example. Oh no, sorry, third one. The nation returned. Is the doer outside or inside?
Doors inside.
Inside? Is it saying that he returned or they returned or I returned or we
It's
returned?
the nation returned.
So is that outside or inside?
We can't say so. Maybe it's outside.
No, it's clearly I can see it. Look, it says, okay, the action is returned, right? This is the action, this is the verb, and then it's saying the nation returned. If I say they returned, then you can say, okay, they are, the file is inside. Or I can, if I say he returned, or I returned, or we returned, right? All these pronouns. Then you're gonna say, okay, the file is inside. But it's saying the nation.
Okay.
So this is, right? It is making sense to you now, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So
The
if you
nation
see
returned.
pronoun, then yes, it is inside, but clearly I can see the nation. So this is my outside doer. Now, what is the process? For return, the verb is raja'a.
Okay. Raja'a. The nation. Raja'a. Qawm.
Very good. So raja'al.
Qawm.
And what should be the status of qawm? Qawmi, qawma, or qawmu?
Rafa. It should be Rafa.
So give me the haraka. Raja'al
Qawmu.
Yes. Raja'al qawmu. So the nation returned. Now you need to label raja'a. Failun.
That's failun mazi. Mabni ala fatha.
Very good. Barakallah fiki. Love it. So mabni ala fatha. Because huwa version gonna be always with fatha. Right?
Yes.
Always with fatha. Very good. So failun madin mabni ala fatha. Now we can come to the file. File is outside, right?
Yes.
And if file is not outside, right? If it was just raja, so then how I need to do it? File
mustatir. File mustatir.
Taqdiruhu.
Okay.
Huwa.
Okay.
So taqdiruhu means that we are just estimating, guessing, or it is implied. Because there is nothing extra, right? There is no alif isnain, there is no wawul jama, there is not nunun niswa, and nothing is the mir muttasil is being attached to it, right? So that's why we're gonna say that file is mustatir, right? And it is implied that it is huwa in it. So taqdiruhu mean implied.
Implied.
So there is implied huwa in it. Very good. Okay. And now, since we have outside doer, al-qawmu, so we are not, whenever we have outside doer, we don't have to say the file with the fail, right? We are not going to say the mir mustatir. Rather, now we are going to talk about al-qawmu. So al-qawmu is ismun. What kind of ism is that? It's rafa or marfu, right?
Rafa is marfu, yes.
Yes, so it's ism marfu, and you can say it is the file raja, something like that. Okay, so that is good enough. Okay,
Jazakallah.
now you can Ifat Chaudhary, now you can come.
Okay.
Yeah, so the number 5 is the man taught. The man taught, is that inside or outside?
It is outside.
Very good. So it's a outside doer now, right? Because I see the man, and the man is not a pronoun. Okay, now what is the verb for taught?
Darasa rajul.
Allama. Why we are going to darasa? Allama mean he taught. So allama.
Man is
Allama. What he since when it is outside, right? So I always need to go either huwa and hiya version, right? I cannot use any other siga when I know that okay the doer is outside. I'm always gonna go either huwa or hiya version, because the man is masculine over here, so that's why I'm gonna to allama, huwa version, right? So now I have allama, and now I need to bring my outside doer, the man. Rajulu. So, Allah Rajulu. Allamar Rajulu. Allamar Rajulu. Right? So now labeling.
Mazi. Ala fatha.
If there is not outside doer, then how you gonna explain the doer? Allama. Failuhu.
Failuhu.
Mustatir.
If there is no outside doer, then it is huwa.
Yeah.
Outside doer.
And this is mustatir, right?
Mustatir, and failuhu ismul rajul.
Yeah, when you are explaining the outside doer, then you can say this is an ism. Ar-rajulu is an ism, right? And what is the status of that ism? That this is rafa, right? So you can say ism marfu, right? So this ism is marfu, and you can say that this is the file allama. Right? Something like that we can add to it. Barakallah fiki. Good job.
One question. So when it is basic chart of huwa, huma, hum, outside, we don't have an outside doer. It is always like an inside. We say the doer is inside, right? Okay. I got confused for a second. I was saying when we see the na and at the end, maybe that makes it outside, but you corrected it. Thank you.
I cannot even hear you properly. Your voice is very low. So if you got the answer, yeah, it's good. But I'm not able to understand your point, what you're trying to explain.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाह वबरकातुहू. Yes.
सिस्टर मैं सॉरी करती हूँ क्योंकि मैं तो उर्दू क्लास में थी ना, तो उर्दू क्लास कब होती है?
उर्दू क्लास इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे से स्टार्ट हो रही है।
नेक्स्ट है। अच्छा चलो शुक्रिया।
सॉरी दिस वेडनेसडे।
ओके थैंक यू। जज़ाकल्लाह।
वही आगे। Okay, so now how much time we have? 10 minutes. Okay, Sister Kamar. We have two Kamar, Kamrun Nisa and the other Kamar. Who will come?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, so now we are on this number 6. The children studied. So is that inside or outside door?
Outside door.
Very good. So it's an outside door. And now what is the process? How, if we want to translate, what should I do first?
Darasal.
So I need to go to the verb first, right? And since we see that the door is outside,
yes.
So I need to go, and this is masculine, children.
Yes.
Right? So we are going to what version? Hua or
Hua.
Very good. So
Darasa.
Okay, and then children is walad.
Al-waladu. Al-walad.
Awlad.
Ya Rab.
Darasal.
Awlad. Awladu.
Okay, so darasal awladu.
Awladu.
Okay, now how are you gonna label darasa?
فعل ماضي مبني على فتح.
Yes. Okay, that is good enough for darasa. And then if you want to describe awlad as an outside doer, how are you gonna say that?
اسم مرفوع فاعله درسة.
File darasa. Very good. Very good. And if let's say there is not outside doer, then how are we gonna say it?
And then we will say
Fa'ilun.
فاعل مستتر تقديره هو.
Very good. And this takdiruhu, because when I check your homeworks, I'm not talking to you, talking to everyone. When I see the homework, this takdir business is everywhere. So now you need to remember that when we say takdiruhu only, when we have damir mustatir. We're not gonna use this term everywhere, because when damir is baris, we are not implying anything over there. It's already seen, right? So we do not say takdiruhu then. Only with huwa and hiya version. Barakallah fiki. Good job. Now, both of you sent. Sister Nilofer, you want to try?
Yes, sister. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So number 7 is both of you sent.
Yeah.
Outside or inside?
This is inside.
Very good.
Arsala. Arsala.
Very good. Sent is
Arsala. Yeah, inside lab. Alif is 9 is the file here. That's why it is inside.
Okay. No, sorry. It says both of you.
Both of you. Yeah. Arsala.
Yeah. You gonna say Arsala for both of you?
Both.
Arsala.
Oh, sorry. Both of you. Both of you. That means both of you. Arsaltum. Tuma.
Yes. Okay. So Tuma. Okay, now how are we gonna explain that?
It is Failun Madi Mabni Allah Arsaltuma. Arsaltuma, that is Mabni Allah Sukun. Li Tisali
Tawul file.
And when we'll describe the file, a tawil file, Damir Baris, Muttasil, Mabni Allah Tuma, Damma, Ali Rafa.
Very good. MashaAllah. Barakallah fiki. So this is basically a whole complete version. Barakallah fiki. Beautiful. MashaAllah. Okay. So now number 8. Number 8. Who wanna volunteer? Sister Nargis, you wanna come?
Assalamu alaikum,
Wa
Ustada.
alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, so we are on number 8. It says, you all protect it. Inside or outside door?
Inside.
Very good. And now what is the process? What I need to translate first?
Hafiz tum.
So we need to go to verb first. Very good, right? So the verb
Yeah.
for
Is
protection is hafiza.
Hafiza.
And now
Yes.
it's
From that, Hafiz tum.
very good. So hafiz tum. Very good. Okay, now how we gonna label it?
Fi'l madin mabnin ala sukun.
And then
La
so we can
tasala. La ittasalahu.
not la. When you say la, you are
Hmm.
saying it's not. La mean not.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Li ittasalihi
Yes, li ittisalihi.
ta'fa'il. Yeah. Li ittasalihi ta'ul fa'il.
And then you can explain the file. File is damir barid
At-ta'u fa'il damir barid
muttasil.
muttasil mabni ala dama fi mahalli rafa.
Very good. And then at the end you can even write antum.
Yeah.
Right? Because ta'ul
Mim
file.
alamte jama mazkur.
Yes.
Ta'ul fa'il. Mim alamte jama mazkur antum.
Very good. Barakallah fiki. Beautiful. Beautiful. So you have, alhamdulillah, the whole understanding of it. Barakallah fiki. Beautiful. Okay. And now we have 2 more minutes. So the 2 Muslim taught, number 9.
Sister Rahat, can I try?
Who is that?
This is Manzu. I'm
Okay,
not very good at the.
Go ahead. Yeah. So the 2 Muslims fought. Now, is that inside or outside door?
Outside.
Outside, because I see the 2 Muslims, right?
Yeah.
The 2 Muslim taught. So this is outside door. Very good. Now, what is the process? What I need to do first? Go to verb first.
Taught first, yeah.
Very good. So, what is the word for taught? Allam.
Allam.
Allama. And we know that the 2 Muslim is that it says
Allama. Oh, Allam. Allamata.
It says 2 Muslim feminine, right? So what version? Should I go to huwa or hiya?
Sorry?
It says the 2
Yeah,
Muslim ladies taught.
We go to here.
Yeah, so we need to go to hiya version or huwa version?
Here version.
Hiya version. So now hiya version for Allama would be
Allamata.
Allamata.
Yeah, Allamata.
Yes.
Muslimun. Allamatal Muslimun. Allamatal Muslimuna.
No, ta with sukoon. Allamat.
Allamat.
Hiya is Allamat. Right?
But, yeah.
And now we need
Allamat.
to bring, yes, Allamat is the here version. And now we need to bring 2 Muslims, which are outside door. And these are Muslim ladies, sorry. Right?
Yeah,
so
Muslimata.
what is the 2 Muslim ladies?
Muslimata.
Why Muslimata? Why you're not saying the whole thing?
Oh, Muslimatani.
Yes.
Sorry.
Muslimatani.
Yeah. Muslimatani.
Right? And now I need to do one more thing. Can I say Allamat al-Muslimatani or I need to do something else?
Well, we have to make this one Rafa status.
Which one?
The Muslimatani.
Is not Rafa right now?
Well, it says Fatah, it's Nasab, right?
Muslimatani, you're saying it is Nasab? Is it?
I thought that when there is Dhamma, that's Rafa status.
But this is not how we look the ending combination. When there is an ending combination on Muslimun chart, we don't look at the Fatha Dhamma Kasra. What do we look at? We look at ending combination. Right?
Yes. Allamatal al-Muslim matani.
So now the change I was asking for is for the tajweed purpose, right? So we're gonna say allamatal muslimatani, not tal. We need to give it a kasra.
Oh, allamatil muslimatani. Yes.
So actual word is allamat al muslimatani, but for the tajweed purpose, because we need to join two words together, we're gonna say allamatil muslimatani. So sometimes in Quran Pak, when we see this kasra over here, so we should not be confused that, okay, this is anti.
No, yeah.
Right?
Because of the al, it is there. Yeah.
Yes. Because if it is anti, it should be allam. There should be a sukun on that.
Sukun on that, yeah. After Huna, everything is sukun. He said that, yeah.
Yes, right? So this is, we need to recognize that. Barakallahu fiki. Okay, no, we need to do the labeling part. How we are going to do the label of it.
Mabni ala fatha. Mabni ala sukun. Filun mabni ala sukun.
This allamat is mabni ala sukun?
Yeah.
No. Where is your lam kalima?
Oh, no, yeah. So, it's fil kalima.
So, ayn is my fa kalima. This lam is my ayn, and this mim is my lam, and this lam has a fatha on it.
Lamat, yes.
So, fe'lun madin mabni ala
fatha.
Fatha. Right? Huwa and hiya both are with fatha. Even the dual one are also with fatha. Okay, so 4 sigas are with fatha. Which one? Huwa, hiya, and their dual versions. Okay. They are all, these 4 sigas are with fatha.
Mabni ala fatha.
Then one is with dhamma. Which one is with dhamma?
The plural one.
Yes, hum version. Don't say plural because in antum we have plural, right?
So hum version.
Yes, hum version. And then other rest of all of them are with the sukun.
Yes.
Right? So this is easy. Only three, when it comes to mabni business, we need to remember 3 things.
Yeah, huma and the dual version.
Yes. So this is how it should be, okay? And then what else we need to explain over here? So you're gonna say fe'lun madin mabni ala fatha, right? And how about the file?
File rafa.
Where is it file? Are you able to see the file here?
File is the muslimas. 2 muslimas.
Okay, let's say we don't have outside doer. Then how are you gonna say it? Do you see the mir baris? Do you see a pronoun? Alifu isnain, wawul jama, nunu niswa. Do you see anything like that attached to it, this fail?
If it is only alama, no, we don't see it.
Yeah, so then what you gonna say? File is damir mustatir.
Mustatir.
Right? Damir mustatir takdiruhu hiya. Takdiruhu mean it is implied. Hiya is implied over here. And what is telling me this hiya? This tautanis. Right?
What is that? Tau?
Tautanis. Ta of feminine.
Oh, I said tau. Yeah, this part is just, that file part is just, I'm still learning.
Yeah, inshallah, soon. Okay. Inshallah. So if you keep writing it down somewhere, if you every day you are doing couple of them and you are writing them down, inshallah, that's gonna go faster in your head.
Inshallah,
Okay?
Jazakallah,
Yeah.
sister.
So knowledge does not comes just by listening.
No, it doesn't, sister.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
I'm trying.
need to write it down, and that is for everyone. I'm not talking even when I am memorizing something, I need to write it down. Just by listening is not good enough. Okay, so inshallah, with that we are going to end our session. Barakallahu li wa lakum fil Quranil Hakim wa nafani wa iyyakum bi ayati wa zikril hakim. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifuna wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.